Hey y'all, Crystal here. Today we're going to learn how to make the moss stitch. I'm using Dishy. It's a cotton yarn. It's a number 4 medium worsted weight yarn. You can use any weight or any fiber for this stitch. And I'm using a 5mm crochet hook. Other things you'll need are a stitch marker. You can also just use a piece of loose yarn or a hairpin, something like that if you don't have stitch markers. We're going to start with a chain that is an odd number. So for this tutorial, I will chain 15. Okay, once you have chained to the odd number you would like, you're going to skip the first chain, and in the second chain, you will single crochet. So that first skip chain for this first row 1 doesn't count as a stitch right now. Now we're going to crochet into each chain across with a single crochet. Once you have crocheted in each of the chains across, you should have an even number of single crochet stitches. Here we're going to chain 1, and this chain 1 is your turning chain, but it also counts as a stitch for this pattern. So I'm going to chain 1 a little bit loose, and I'm going to mark it with a stitch marker so that I can see it and I don't forget about it. Skip this first single crochet, and then next one work a single crochet. We're going to go ahead and mark that first chain 1 space with our stitch marker. Chain 1, skip the single crochet, work a single crochet in the next. You're skipping 1, chain 1, making a single crochet in a chain 1 and skipping 1 all the way across. You have your 2 stitches left at the end of the row, skip that one, and work your single crochet into the end. Chain 1 and turn. Try to chain loosely there, skip your first single crochet, work a single crochet in the chain space. Chain 1, skip the single, work a single in the chain 1 space. Keep repeating. Here we are at the end. We have a single crochet here, and our stitch marker is in our turning chain, our chain 1 space where we want to put our last single crochet of the row. It's these 2 loops. There we go. Single crochet there. And now we're just doing a 1 row repeat. Chain 1 loosely, mark this stitch, skip the single crochet, work a single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 1, skip 1, work 1, chain 1, continue across. To the end here. In our turning chain, we're working our last single crochet of the row,